தினம்தோறும் விளக்கேற்ற நல்ல எண்ணெய் இதயம் நல்லெண்ணெய்.
Visiting Tirupparamkundram and consoling Purna Chandran's wife. It's a very, very emotional issue. And the Hindus were discriminated, humiliated in spite of the court order. So the visit of our Honorable Prime Minister's visit to the Muruga temple, the Tamil god, it has given a big moral support to each and everyone. Even the mothers who were fighting were crying, so they were unable to light the lamp in Tirupparamkundram. And Honorable Prime Minister's speech was full of how Tamil Nadu can be developed, and Tamil Nadu how, because of the biased activity of the Chief Minister towards the central government, the poor people of Tamil Nadu are not getting the benefits from the central government. For example, he was telling about the Awas Yojana. So all these things, because the Chief Minister is not welcoming the Prime Minister when he come to our own state, he was in Chennai only. So these type of biased attitude and activity will not be taken in a right spirit by the youth of Tamil Nadu, because Tamil Nadu had a broad-minded, whatever may be the political situation, we have a very broad mind. So each and everything taken in a political view means Tamil Nadu Chief Minister should not do that. That's all I can say. And what all the schemes, whether it is all the port development, whether the Maduravayal flyover, and development of the Kamaraj port, Pamban port, he has enlisted everything. After hearing this speech, Chief Minister should not tell Tamil Nadu is not getting anything from the center. They are repeatedly, he is telling that he cannot lie, because a long speech by the Prime Minister has actually has almost revealed what all the good schemes given to Tamil Nadu and what all his vision for Tamil Nadu if voted for NDA, how like Puducherry, a double engine government, and what all his wish to do for Tamil Nadu he has revealed. So people should utilize that and they have to vote for NDA.
Ma'am, your reaction on OPS joining DMK, because you've worked closely with him when he was part of NDA for so many years?
No, because now people are not going to take it very seriously, because it was really, when as a person who was watching the Tamil Nadu politics from my childhood, it was painful for me. A person of 50 years of following an ideology of Amma and Puratchi Talaivar, following them, they gave all the responsibility to him, and removing her photo and removing the scrapping the photo from his house. This all something unacceptable. People also won't accept. For selfish motive, selfish reason, he has taken a decision. So people won't like it, and people won't respond in a positive way. It may be give happiness to OPS, but it will not give happiness to the people of Tamil Nadu and the people and the cadres who follow sincerely Madam Jayalalitha and Puratchi Talaivar MGR.
Banner of Periyar has been removed from.
Yeah, I was asking. No, actually. They kept, and this was the not ideology. Most of his ideological points are not accepted by BJP, and the cultural viewpoints and the religious viewpoints. So they have removed. I was asking, in DMK conference, will they put Muruga portrait or Meenakshi portrait? They won't do now. Why they are going on asking this? And another thing, Honorable Prime Minister wanted his attire in Tamil Nadu. So they changed the picture. So immediately the 2 leaves picture has been changed. 2 leaves leader was just sitting beside. What is the problem in that? So everything is.
The question arises because ADMK they haven't disowned Periyar's ideology, right? So they are also part of your alliance. So that is where the question arises.
No, according to us, some of the ideology and some of the points we don't accept. So there is some, this democratically they have respecting us. That's why can't we take it?
What would be a reply of like Prime Minister Narendra Modi going to Tirupparamkundram when the matter is under?
No, actually this is a moral support to all Hindus. The poor mothers were crying. It is not a political move. It is supporting the mothers with a cultural affinity, and you would have seen the mothers and sisters, and they were unable to light the lamp in spite of the court order. And Purna Chandran, he immolated himself. So it's a moral support to the Hindu society, which has been discriminated by the state government.
Ma'am, India has begun seat sharing. Is there any talks or demands on doing a double election?
No, till now we have not started our talk. Probably Honorable Piyush Goyal and our state president may answer this question.
Thank you, ma'am.